But
Maybe ancient alien life was on a meteor, hit the Earth, and then seeded this planet with the life as we know it now.
there is an idea regarding that. It's called Panspermia, but we don't have evidence for that. And when meteoroids fall naturally, directly from space to the Earth, well, I mean, if a big one comes in, then nobody's here live alive, like, to analyze them, like, for example, the dinosaurs. So that was a much bigger one, comet probably, or a big asteroid. But the smaller ones, those are really useful for us. But even then, the sample, the asteroid, a meteoroid, has gone through our atmosphere, where it heats up, and oftentimes if they burn up in the atmosphere, you see a shooting star, or sort of like, but even if it hits to the ground and we try to get them quickly, the Earth microbes are pretty quick in contaminating it. And oftentimes people try, so for example, in Antarctica or in frozen lakes in Canada, people have tried to find sort of like, these meteorites quickly, but still, those are not pure. This is the reason why going to an asteroid, what the NASA mission OSIRIS-REx did to asteroid Bennu, and it brought those samples back and put it in a sort of like, in a container which was likely not contaminated. So that's what they did, and the first results have started to come out. And what it tells you, Bennu is a small asteroid about 2,000 feet across, and the samples tell us that, in fact, it has amino acids. So now, we knew that amino acids that life uses in our cells, they actually are used to make proteins and things like that, and our life uses 20 types of amino acids.
All of which I'm taking as supplements now that I'm old. I feel like all I do is like my job to eat protein and amino acids.
And so the question was, I mean, of course, the combination of amino acids available is much bigger, but our life uses 20 amino acids. And it turns out that in this sample that came back as part of the OSIRIS-REx mission, NASA mission, to the asteroid Bennu, that it found about 16,000 types of organic molecules, which included 16 of those 20 amino acids. So those amino acids are already there. And not just that, if you think about life, the molecule of life, the DNA, which has those nucleic acids like A, T, C, G, and also there is RNA uses a different one, uracil with the U. Well, this sample has all of those nucleic bases.